Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I want to talk a little bit about how you can change your name in Bigo Live. So, from the website version of the Bigo Live or the standalone PC version of the Bigo Live, there is no way to actually change your name. So, what you need to do is take your phone out, log into your account in Bigo Live app, then go to the bottom section of your screen, and there should be a me icon. So just tap into it, then you're gonna click on your profile. After that, you're gonna see on the top right side of your screen, and there should be a copy to clipboard kind of similar icon. So that is edit profile. Just tap on it and then scroll and search for username. Tap on it and change it as you like. So that's how you change your username in Beagle Live. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.